and welcome back to Ashley Life. In today's class, we're going to a baby shower. So I am on my way to my dear friend Sarah's baby shower. I have known her since she was a very little kid. I'm talking like 5 or 6. I used to coach her in cheer, and now she's married, and now she's having a baby, and I can't believe it. My baby's having a baby. And so I am one who loves to give gifts. And I think I'm pretty good at it, and I usually create some kind of like little basket, a bunch of things that I pull together and then give to someone, and it's just super fun for me. And I usually get inspired when I see something at the store that reminds me of someone, and I'm like, oh, that'll be perfect for their birthday, or that'll be perfect for Christmas. And so even if those things aren't coming up quite yet, but I know it's perfect for the person, I will grab it, and I have like a box in the garage that I just keep presents in that I know I'm going to give in the future, because you just never know if you're going to come across that thing again, or when that time does come, you can never find what you want to give. So I always just get it and I save it for the person when it's time. That's the first way I start my gift baskets. And then I just build off from there. And so when it comes to bridal showers or baby showers, once I get an invitation, I know in my head, okay, that's coming up. So if I am out anywhere and I see something that's like perfect for this baby shower, like today, I get it. And so that's what I've been doing over the past couple months. I found like really, really cool items. So I'm just gonna show you how I put together this baby shower gift for my friend. And so hopefully it gives you inspiration for your future gifts that you're gonna give. So the key things I want you to take away from this is try to give at least one thing that is completely usable, or something that they will keep forever, or something that they hang on their wall, or something that will have like a memory attached to it, whether it's a piece of jewelry, anything like that. And also something that's a little personalized as well. So for instance, the growth chart that I gave and I added the name to, super personal, something that she's gonna put on the wall and will stay until this kid is, 5 feet tall, right? Which is something so cool. So anytime, Sarah will look at it, she's like, oh, Ashley got me that. Something that will remind them of you is like a very, very sweet thing, I think. So try to think of a little detail like that. And what would you want? What would you actually keep? What would you use? It could even be something, for instance, in the kitchen, I have a spatula that's in my kitchen and it has a big S on it for our last name, and I love it and I use it all the time, and I know that my sister-in-law gave that to me and I think of her when I use it. So you just have to try to be personal and things that are useful. Don't give someone something that you don't want or that you would just throw away in a year or two. You just don't want clutter hanging around the house. You want to give something to someone that they'll use. Oh, and on that note, if you can't think of or find something to give somebody, give the gift of entertainment. Give the gift of your time. Find something that you can do together and buy tickets for it. I love that idea. I would much rather do something with someone than to get a physical gift from them. My good friend and I, that's what we do for Christmas each year, and our birthdays really, most years. We find an activity to do, and then we do it together, and then we have pictures and memories, and we're like, oh yeah, that was that Christmas. That was our Christmas gift. I think that's just a nice gift to give, is the gift of your time. I think that's the best gift that you can give, because time is priceless. So whether it's a baby shower or a birthday that you're going to, I hope you got some inspiration from this when you are giving your next gift. Make sure to like and share so other people can like and share, and don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you next class. And so another thing I want to touch on real quick in more detail is what you give the gift in. For instance, for this baby shower, I went to get the card, and then I saw the bags, and I was looking at the bags, and I saw the cutest bag, and it says like, it had some cute saying on it. And I was like, oh my gosh, it's tall enough to fit the growth chart thing. It's perfect. And I looked at the price of it, $8, $7.99. I was like, are you kidding me? For a bag that you're gonna just throw away? No, thank you. I was like, I can find some kind of basket that would be cute to put this in and that they could use later on. So I did. I found the cutest basket ever. And guess what? $10. For $2 more, I got her something that she could use again and use for a long time to come, instead of spending $8 on something she's just gonna wanna throw away. Keep that in mind. Don't spend a bunch of money on a bag that's gonna be thrown away. Try to find something that could be useful and that adds to your gift. Anyways, that's my rant on that. See you soon. embellished it. I embellished. Oh. You're welcome.
I love that you're doing all this stuff.
That's what I do.
This is like, you put their little hands in and it keeps, what do you call that? Handprint?
Yeah, like keepsake.
You can do a dog.
You could do, I know. I thought about it, I was like, should I get one for Sadie?
Like, I'm not gonna do for Ev. Oh my gosh.
I mean,
Stop! Oh my gosh.
that one, yeah.
Oh, these are cute. They're like foot rattles.
Oh, little socks, little stocky shoes.